When adding and subtracting fractions, find a least common denominator. Solve 2 over 7 plus 1 over 4. To add fractions, we need to find a common denominator among 7 and 4. So we need to find the least common multiple between these numbers. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. Multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. I noticed that they have a least common multiple of 28, so we can change both denominators to 28. To get from a denominator of 7 to a denominator of 28, we multiply by 4. So we have to do the same thing to the numerator. 2 times 4 gives us a numerator of 8. To get from a denominator of 4 to a denominator of 28, we multiply by 7. So if we also multiply our numerator by 7, we get 7 over 28. Now we can add. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Denominator always stays the same. That's why we found the least common denominator, so that we have a denominator to keep the same. So 2 over 7 plus 1 over 4 equals 15 over 28. 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. We need to find the least common denominator between 3 and 5. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. I see that they have a least common multiple of 15, so we're going to change both denominators to 15. To get from a denominator of 5 to a denominator of 15, we have to multiply by 3. So we have to do the same thing to the numerator. 4 times 3 gives us 12. To get from a denominator of 3 to a denominator of 15, we multiply by 5. We do the same thing to the numerator. 2 times 5 gives us a numerator of 10. Bring down the subtraction symbol. 12 minus 10 is 2 over, we keep the denominator the same.